Welcome to UK Compass. Your tenancy agreement is more than just a contract. It's the foundation of your rental experience. Understanding its key clauses will ensure you're well prepared and confident in your new home. Let's break it down. 1. The parties involved. Your tenancy agreement should clearly state the names of all tenants and the landlord. This ensures that everyone's responsibilities are legally defined. 2. Property details. Look for a description of the rental property, including the full address. If the agreement covers additional areas like parking or shared spaces, these should be specified too. 3. Term of tenancy. This clause outlines the start and end dates of your tenancy. If it's a fixed-term agreement, it will also define the duration of the lease, commonly 6 or 12 months. 4. Type of lease. Tenancy agreements usually fall under assured short-hold tenancies, ASTs, for private rentals. Make sure the type of lease is clearly mentioned, as it determines your legal rights and obligations. 5. Break clause. A break clause allows either you or the landlord to terminate the tenancy early under specific conditions. This is particularly important for fixed-term agreements, so review the notice period and any associated terms carefully. 6. Rent payment terms. The agreement will specify the rent amount, payment frequency, and due date. It may also include penalties for late payments, so be sure to pay on time to avoid extra charges. 7. Deposit details. Your deposit amount and how it's protected should be included. In the UK, deposits must be held in a government-approved scheme, and the agreement should explain how and when it will be returned. 8. Maintenance responsibilities. This clause defines who is responsible for maintaining the property. Landlords typically handle major repairs, while tenants are responsible for minor maintenance, such as changing light bulbs or keeping the property clean. 9. Rules and restrictions. Pay attention to clauses about pets, smoking, subletting, or making alterations to the property. Violating these rules could lead to penalties or eviction, so clarify anything you're unsure about. 10. Landlord access. Landlords can't enter the property without notice. Check the agreement for how much notice they must provide. 24 hours is standard for non-emergencies. 11. Utilities and bills. Understand who is responsible for paying utilities, council tax, and other bills. This should be clearly outlined to avoid disputes later. 12. Ending the tenancy. The agreement should explain the process for ending your tenancy, including notice periods. Ensure you understand your obligations, such as returning the property in good condition. Final thoughts. Taking the time to read and understand your tenancy agreement, including the break clause and lease type, can save you from confusion and disputes. If something isn't clear, don't hesitate to ask questions before signing. Visit ukcompass.com to find the best UK providers free of charge. Follow us for more expert advice and updates to make renting in the UK simple and stress-free.